there is some group of people are there in the Rome, and they are giving concern in the world international different political issues. World international different political issues. So they found that they try to deal with the situation of those political issues which are at international level. And they come to know about at international level political issues are related to population, increase in population in some of the countries. They came to know about resource depletion, resources depleting fast. And then came to know about that the land which is available, it is finite, fixed. They came to know about that there is a food problem can come, population will keep on increasing, food security problem can come. Yes. They came to know about if the industrial production will be same way, then what will happen? The environmental pollution will be at highest level, and that is the issues are there. I said that there is some group of people in the Rome. In 1968, they have created a club of Rome. They created what? Club of. In 1960, there is some intelligentsia group of people. They try to deal with the international political issues related to population, related to pollution, related to food problems in the coming time, related to environmental problem in the coming time, and related to resource depletion in the coming time. Understood? Understood? And this has been said that we should, it is a humanistic approach has been given, and they have given us some idea from the 1900 to 2100. They have created some graph from the 1900, 2000 till 2100, and they said that how do the population change will behave from the 1900 to 2100, how do the resource will behave, और आपको ही पता है कि if you keep on using the resource will keep on decreasing. Yes or not? And then if you are using more industrial output, it means more industrialization, more demand, then there is a chance of resource depletion, means again the more industrial output means increase in what? Environmental pollution. There will be more pollution. And at the same time increasing population, there is a problem of food. इन सारे इश्यूज को उन्होंने देखा कि कब क्या वेरिएशन होगा, and in the future if there will be some technology will be there, then what kind of situation can arise. And then so he has given a graph for it, and there are the 5 variables. They talked about this 5 variables: population, pollution and all. Understood? Club of Rome. And he has given his one book in 1972 in the name of Limits to Growth. In the name of Limits to Growth. Understood? The Club of Rome is a global think tank that deals with a variety of international political issues, founded in 1968 at Accademia di Lenzi in Rome, Italy, the Club of Rome. And it describes itself in a group of world citizens sharing in a common concern for the future humanity. So, humanistic problem in the future, what can be there, and they have said about there are 5 variables based on it. Understood? Understood? Now, we can be able to see the limits to growth, one of the world model. Model का मतलब होता है one example I am giving you, and that is the, if you see these examples, and then you can utilize it for the different perspective. So यहाँ पर क्या है? we have to see that one of the major problem we are watching limits to growth is a 1972 book modeling the consequences of rapidly growing world population and finite resource supplies. So he is trying to find out relation between, first I said that important part, it is in a population. There is a population which is rapidly growing. Yes, world population, it has been saying exponentially growing. And exponential growth को कैसे दिखाते हैं? Exponential growth has been shown, yes, where the graph is moving like up. And exponential growth you can be able to realize. It means graph is there and then population is like this and then the population is increasing like this. Yes, लेकिन कुछ दिनों के बाद population फिर down होगा, ऐसा भी बताया. तो आप केवल देखेंगे it is in a discussing like this. Population is exponentially growing. So rapid growth of population and then limited resource that we have. Understood? In which book? Limits to growth. Understood? What is the major humanistic problem is there? I said that the growing population of the world, rapidly growing population of the world will have to see balancing with the, I said that, limited resource. क्या आज के डेट में हमारे पास limited resource है? What the technology can do in the form of limited resource? Can he increase the resource? Again I am asking, can he increase the resource? Again I am asking, can he increase the resource? Yes. Alternative resource. Understood? अभी तो पढ़ाया सारा. Conservative and all. So at least we can go for alternative. So this time they did not think about that there will be what alternative resource could be there. Understood? So in this theory it has not been given about importance about the alternative resource and all. लेकिन बाद में later on it started including it. So I said that, and then commissioned by, and it is in a commission by Club of Rome in 1972. And then there is which are the, I said that Mido. One it is I said that H Mido, another is L Mido. Another is Dones, I said Donella H Mido, and then is Dennis L Midos. कौन थे? Donella H Mido and Dennis L Midos. And इनके साथ एक और हैं Renders. क्या है? And वो रेंडर क्या है? बहरे है. क्या है? बहरेज. Which are the four who has commissioned this book? Yes. Donella H Meadows, Dennis L Meadows, and then I said that Randor, and I said Behrains. Understood? These are the people, those who have commissioned this book, and they are author of it. The book used the world model to simulate. Simulate का मतलब होता है same kind of picture. जैसे 2100 में कैसा situation होगा कंप्यूटर सिमुलेशन. तो हमने कुछ डाटास डाल दिया एंड डाटास का ग्रोथ डाल दिया तो कंप्यूटर ने मुझे ऐसे ऐसे दिखाने लग गया. So computer has some formulas I have given और इसी formula पे they have given graph. Simulation. Understood? Simulation model. I said that I said that book used the world model, वर्ल्ड के मॉडल को जो हमने देख रहे हैं, वर्ल्ड के जो डिफरेंट वेरिएबल्स हैं, वर्ल्ड मॉडल टू सिमुलेट द कंसिक्वेंसेस ऑफ इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन द अर्थ में क्या क्या है? लैंड रिसोर्स, फाइनाइट लैंड रिसोर्स, फाइनाइट रिसोर्सेज एंड ऑल दिस. सो अर्थ एंड ह्यूमन सिस्टम, यही है ना जो अभी हमने बोला था कि रैपिड ग्रोथ ऑफ व्हाट? पॉपुलेशन एंड व्हाट इज दैट? फाइनाइट रिसोर्सेज. यही तो हमने बात किया था. उसी को मैं बोल रहा हूं कि इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट अर्थ एंड ह्यूमन सिस्टम. Human system means population and earth means there is no resources available. Understood? So he has talked about, I said book used the world model to simulate the consequences of interaction between earth and human system. Interaction between increasing population with the pollution, with the resources, land, इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन एंड ऑल, जो भी है जो हो रहा है इसका कैसे इंटरेक्ट कर रहा है. Book echoes some of the concern and prediction of Malthus in the essay on the principle of what I said that 1798. तो 1798 में that the essay on one Malthus, जो कि आप लोग population and settlement में you have to read this, and then he has given one book. It is an essay on the principle of population, an essay on the principle of population. और उन्होंने population को जो बताया था, population, Malthus has said that population is increasing like 1, 2, 4, 8, 60, 32, 64, 128 like this. Population is increasing in the geometric progression, but the subsistence means for life, your sustenance and subsistence, means of life, means resource, जो है आपका एग्रीकल्चर फूड, जो आपको कैसे इंक्रीज कर रहा है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. सो पॉपुलेशन को इन्होंने एक्सपोनेंशियल ग्रोथ दिखाया. व्हाट ही हैज सेड दैट पॉपुलेशन इज इंक्रीजिंग एक्सपोनेंशियली, मींस एट ज्योमेट्रिकल प्रोग्रेशन इट इज इन अ फास्ट रेट, बट द मींस ऑफ सस्टेनेबिलिटी, जिसके लिए हमें सस्टेन करना है, दैट इज व्हाट इंक्रीजिंग एट द अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन एपी, जो कि माल्थस हैज टॉक्ड अबाउट. एंड इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, तो इन्होंने अपने में पॉपुलेशन का कौन सा फंडामेंटल कंसेप्ट यूटिलाइज्ड, दैट मिस्टर मीडोज, देयर इज डोनेला एच मीडोज, डेनिस एल मीडोज, एंड देन रैंडर्स एंड बेहरेंस in his book Club in the Limits to Growth, that he used the concept of Malthus of 1798, an essay on the principle of population. Understood? और ये बुक किसके बारे में बोल रहा है? इंट्रैक्शन बिटवीन मैन, ह्यूमन सिस्टम एंड अर्थ. इंट्रैक्शन बिटवीन increasing growth of what is a rapid growth of population with respect to their surrounding resources, which is limited. Yes? Now, so again after 30 years, 72 के बाद in 2004, and again one company come, and Chalisa company, Chalesia publication, Chalesia Green Publishing Company का in 2004, Chalesia Green Publishing Company came, and then he has given another book that is in Limits to Growth after 30 years, means 30-year update. 72 के बाद 2004 around how much? 30 years update. And then it is in a model used in this book is called World 3 model, जो 2004 में दिया गया. It is in a called World 3 model, but it is based on Forrester World 2 model. तो हम लोग जो World 2 model को पढ़ेंगे. And then most recent update version is published. This is on this. And क्या book का नाम है? What is the Limits to Growth? The 30-year update. And it is based on World 2 model of Forrester. Understood? Clear? Simple idea हो चुका. What the limits to growth it is? I said that it is in Rome there is some intelligentsia group is there, and this intelligentsia group, I said that they are understanding and dealing with the international political issues for the future perspective of humanity, survival of humanity. And this they have given in 1972 a book. It is known as Limits to Growth, and it is authored by, I said that Donella H. Meadows and Dennis L. Meadows, Randers and Behrens. Understood? In this book there is an important part. It is that they have talked about interaction between increasing rapidly growth of population and then limited resource, or better to say it is an interaction between human system and earth. Understood? And in this book the population which has been shown and the way that it is increasing, it has been utilized from the Malthus concept, and in his book it is an essay on the principle of population of 1798. And what he said that population is increasing in which form? Geometrical progression or exponentially. Understood? But the food is not increasing in that form. Okay? So it has been said like this, and we have seen also that after 30 years there is another Chalesia Green Publishing Company who has again published another book by the authors, and it is known as Limits to Growth, the 30-year update. अब हम लोग आते हैं मेन चीज में. सो यहां पर क्या वेरिएबल्स कंसीडर किया गया है? विच आर द वेरिएबल्स? वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन, इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, pollution. I said that world population, industrialization, pollution, food production and resource depletion. ये याद हो गया? पहले भी आपको 5 variables I am talking about. Which one I said that? World population, industrialization means industrial output, and then we can be able to see pollution, and agricultural output means food production, and then we have seen resource depletion. Understood? Completely okay in your point? And then I said that 5 variables were examined in the original model and on the assumption that exponential growth accurately describes the human growth pattern. इसमें क्या दिखाया गया? The human growth pattern is in each form. Exponential. So exponential growth accurately describes the human growth pattern, and that ability of technology to increase the availability resources grows only linearly. तो टेक्नोलॉजी को एबिलिटी को दिखाया गया है कि जो भी रिसोर्स है वो लिनियरली मूविंग. इट इज आई सेड दैट, जैसे आप देख रहे हो लिनियर पैटर्न में, सो इट इज इन अ मूविंग. आई सेड दैट परहैप्स लाइक दिस लिनियर